In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export LinkedIn post analytics. Gathering insights from your LinkedIn posts can be crucial for understanding your audience engagement and crafting better content in the future. Let's dive into it step by step. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com and log into your account using your credentials. If you're not already logged in, simply enter your email and password and you'll be ready to go. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner and you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a drop-down menu where you'll see several options related to your LinkedIn account. Among these options, you'll want to select Posts and Activity. Clicking this will take you to a new page where you can see all of your recent posts and activities within the LinkedIn platform. This is an excellent way for you to track what you've shared recently and examine its performance. Now go ahead and scroll through your posts and find the one that you'd like to analyze further. You can choose any post, a shared article, a status update, or even a video you've posted. Once you've made your choice, click on that particular post. This will open the post up fully and give you an overview of its content and interaction. After opening the post, look for an option labelled View Analytics, typically located near the bottom or alongside the post options. Click this and you will enter a dedicated analytics section. It's here that LinkedIn provides detailed insights such as the number of views, the types of audience who engage with your post, and the overall impact of your content. The final step in exporting your analytics is to find the Export button, which will usually be visible in this analytics view. Clicking on Export will allow you to download the analytics data directly to your computer. This exported file often comes in a format like CSV or Excel, perfect for further analysis in spreadsheet programs. And there you have it. You have successfully navigated through LinkedIn to export the analytics of your post. Use these insights to drive your content strategy and enhance engagement with your audience. So next time you're curious about how your LinkedIn posts are performing, you'll know exactly where to go and how to get the detailed information you need. Remember, regular analysis can significantly contribute to your professional growth on LinkedIn. Thanks for tuning in and happy analyzing.